How to fix Insights Unavailable on Facebook. This issue usually happens on Facebook pages or professional mode profiles. Firstly, make sure that you are using a professional account. Go to your profile section on Facebook. Now here you will see a three dot icon. Click on the three dot icon to open more settings. Here you will see an option called Turn Off or On Professional Mode. My profile is already on professional mode, so I don't need to turn it on. But this is how you can turn your profile into professional. Doing this unlocks insights. If you are using a page, then make sure that you are an admin or editor. You can check your roles on page roles. Now check for updates that may be available for Facebook. Open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for Facebook. If you see update option available, click on the update option to update the app. Additionally, also go to App Info of Facebook, scroll down to the Usage section and click on Storage. Now click on the Clear Cache option at the bottom right corner. So that's all for today. Thank you.